Ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Mark Page. Follow the link below and we're going to sing a song. They
tried to make me sail to rehab, but I said, row, row, row. Back to you in the studio.
Cheers.
All right, my love.
Thank you, love.
In a quarter of a mile, slide left onto Castle Street.
We've got named City of Culture. That's unusual, isn't it? When it was last on the road.
I can remember that being an arcade. I got 20p. It gets at mothership. There we go. Oh, it's not mappy. 83.
83. Is this your favourite?
Mr. Davis Castle favourite.
Is that not on there?
No, I didn't see it. You killed me.
I didn't kill you. You killed yourself. Do you have to put your name in?
Yeah. It's got to say bossy, hasn't it? Naughty.
Oh.
Don't think so. You won.
Me, I'm red.
Hey?
Come on.
Is it?
Yeah. CWS?
Yeah.
It's electric. No way. Thomas has got that angle. Thunder's one there.
Vuoi internet? Oh, bravo. Like a stone.
One of them as well.
Did you?
Yeah.
Absolutely.